What's up, y'all? It's Daniel from Dronefly, back with another exciting release from DJI, the Zenmuse L2. This LiDAR payload unlocks a whole new dimension of 3D data collection and mapping. So strap in and let's dive into the world of LiDAR with the Zenmuse L2. First, let's get a quick grasp of LiDAR. Imagine your drone shooting out laser beams like a sci-fi spaceship. These beams bounce off objects and return to the drone, giving it a precise 3D map of the surroundings. LiDAR is useful for a whole range of industries, from surveying and mapping to forestry, construction, and even archaeology. It can map construction sites, create 3D models of forests, inspect power lines, and even map ancient ruins. Pretty cool, right? Now, let's focus on the star of the show, the DJI Zenmuse L2. This payload is compatible with DJI's flagship drones, the Matrice 300 and Matrice 350. But for the 300, you'll need DJI's newest RC Plus to make it work. The L2 is packed with a LiDAR module, a 4/3 CMOS sensor with a mechanical shutter, and a high-accuracy IMU, that's like a super precise gyroscope, all stabilized on a 3-axis gimbal. This means you can capture both 3D point clouds from the LiDAR and photogrammetry maps from the RGB camera, or even both simultaneously. The L2's point cloud accuracy is mind-blowing, achieving vertical accuracy of 4 centimeters and a horizontal accuracy of 5 centimeters, while capturing a whopping 240,000 points per second with support up to 5 returns. The laser spots are so small that the L2 can map the ground beneath dense foliage and even capture intricate details like power lines. Plus, it can cover a massive 2.5 square kilometers, 600 acres, in a single flight. And don't forget the 20 megapixel 4/3 RGB sensor with a mechanical shutter. It captures crisp, high-resolution images without motion blur, perfect for photogrammetry missions. It even records 4K video, making it a true all-rounder. With DJI's RC Plus controller, you can view your 3D data live on its 7-inch screen, ensuring you're capturing everything you need before heading back to base. Once you're back, DJI Terra, a paid subscription software, takes over to process the data. It's super powerful and easy to use, letting you export your data into standard formats for seamless integration into your workflows. So there you have it, the DJI Zenmuse L2, a LiDAR powerhouse. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, give us a call, drop us an email, or hit us up on our website. Until next time, keep those drones flying high. I'm Daniel from Dronefly, and I'll see you next time.